Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a broken rivet. Now, rivets sometimes can come loose. You need to install a new one. The head on one side maybe broke off, and what you need to do is remove that material from that hole so that, quite frankly, you can install another rivet. Now, the simplest way to do this is to drill out the rivet. So you want to choose a drill bit that's slightly larger than the inside diameter of the rivet. And what you're going to do is firmly hold the material you're working with and then use the drill to try and drill off or remove the cap on one side. Once you do this, you'll be able to grab the other side with a pair of pliers or maybe a pair of snips and kind of work it out of that hole. Once that's completely removed, then you're ready to install the new rivet. Coming up next, my video on how to install a rivet.